Build a Super Bristlebot. Materials list: 2 toothbrushes, 1 popsicle stick, 1 small zip tie, double-sided foam tape, 1 watch battery, 1 vibrating motor. Tools needed: scissors, ruler, nippers or wire cutters. Here we go. Use sharp scissors to trim the bristles on one toothbrush head so that it's shorter and slanted. Test the motor. Touch one wire to the top of the battery and the other wire to the bottom. You should feel the motor vibrate. Cut the heads off the toothbrushes with the pliers or wire cutters. Cut the popsicle stick to make it about 2.25 inches long. Cut a small piece of foam tape and use it to stick the popsicle stick on top of the trimmed toothbrush head. Using another piece of foam tape, stick the other end of the popsicle stick to the top of the other toothbrush head. Place the motor onto the popsicle stick and use the zip tie to secure it in place. Cut one more piece of foam tape and stick it near the motor. Peel off the paper from the other side of the tape and attach a motor wire. Gently press the battery onto the tape and wire. Cut another piece of tape and stick the other motor wire to the top of the battery. The motor should vibrate now. If not, gently jiggle the wires until they contact the battery. Put it on a smooth table or floor and watch it go. Here's a suggestion. Try placing the feet in different places to change how your BristleBot moves.